Breaking news. This is the Verbal Antidote channel. I have breaking news. In a young thug trial, judge goes ape itch over unsolicited evidence. Judge in Atlanta courtroom of Young Thug and Young Thug's main head attorney, Brian, I think it's Stillwell. Yes, refuses to give up the mole. Okay, here we go. Pulled from this morning of Choke No Joke. Brian Stillwell refuses to give up the goods, word of mouth, unsolicited evidence in the Young Thug trial. All right, here we go. But he has been incarcerated by allegedly biased, overzealous judge. Allegedly. I have nothing against the judge. I don't know him. This is YouTube. This is content only. And this is the way it went down in the trial. This is not my views. This is the Young Thug trial. This is how it went down. Could be a great judge, great lawyers, but on this day, this is how it went down. Literally.
Do you have a dog that rips you out of your front door or jacks you down the street?
Fair
My name
use.
is Garrett Wing. I am owner and founder of DIY Paint.
Pulled from Choke No Joke. Fair use. Reaction only. Choke No Joke. Pulled from Big Ups to Choke No Joke. Here we go.
He is. He's right behind you. Sorry. I have a motion that I need to make outside the premises, Mr. Cole. All right, you can make it right now. Is he out? Is Mr. Copeland out? Okay, good. All right.
Look at the thick air in the room, y'all. You can just feel the thickness. Just look at all the carbon dioxide build up in the room.
Thank you. Go ahead.
Even the color of the walls don't look
The
right.
way I understand my constitutional obligations, pursuant to the 6th and 14th Amendments of the United States Constitution and corresponding sections of the Georgia Constitution, I'm required to make a full and complete statement to the court. For the record, and if God forbid this goes up on appeal for the appellate courts or another tribunal, commission, or administrative body, I was told based upon information and belief that when we arrived at 8:30, 9 o'clock today, he did not come into your courtroom until almost 11:30. And what I found out just recently, this is not waived, is that supposedly in chambers of Solomon Court, I'm a court reporter at times. I'm recorded at times. District attorney or district attorneys, the DA's office, as well as investigators, sheriff deputies, Mr. Copeland and his counsel met together none of the defense team, to my knowledge, was aware that this was going on. It was told, based upon information belief, that they were told to the district attorneys that Mr. Copeland intended to plead the Fifth Amendment. Then I was told, based upon information belief, that Adrian Love, the lawyer for Mr. Copeland, and this court were together, and Ms. Love made representations that John Melnick supposedly spoke with some attorneys for the accused and wrote an email to Ms. Love, to Adrian Love, stating that Ms. Melnick does not represent the witness, and that Mr. Melnick wrote an email saying F you, and then somehow that email was CC'd to me. That never. Mr. Steele, can I interrupt you just a second? I'm kind of disturbed because that's ex parte. All that was an ex parte conversation. How did you find out about any of that? Well, I'm not disturbed too. And the reason I'm asking you a question. How did you find out about it? I'm going to ask you a question. Okay. Scuttle, if you look at SCUDDER versus State, which is 298 Georgia, 438, it's Division 2, 782 Southeast 2D 638, 2016. Our highest court says when a court meets, because Mr. Copeland comes in, meets with the court supposedly made statements, which I assume is somehow were accurate based on what you just said. We're entitled, Mr. Williams and every other person wrongly charged here is entitled under the Georgia Constitution to be present. That's a critical stage. It's just like when you meet with me, and you and Mr. Adams meet with me, and others have met with me. It's those are ex parte for a lot of different other reasons, but I will certainly note that for purposes of record. Well, I'm going forward. What I was told was that Mr. Copeland said, and you haven't answered my question yet. I'm not. How did you answer that question? You're not? No, I will not answer that. Why will you not answer that question?
There we go.
I want to make sure that what I say is accurate, and I'm not trying to. No. I'm asking you how
Here it comes.
I'm not telling the court. What I'm saying is based on information. Okay, well, listen, if you don't tell me how you got this information, then you and I are going to have some problems. We can have it. I have problems right now. Okay, I know. Look, I don't want to.
There we go.
Problems, okay, at this point in time. All I'm
There's the
asking
battle.
at this point in time is, how did you come upon this information?
Unsolicited.
The record's going to be available for our appellate court
Evidence
for whatever reason. But it's disturbing
that the judge
somehow you have
didn't
surreptitiously gotten
ask for
information in regards to the court's private ex parte conversation with the party. I mean, yes. A witness who was sworn in Friday, the court's telling, this is what I was told. If this is not true, not true. This court was asked Mr. Copeland. Tell me how you got the information. Listen, tell me how you got the information, then we can go ahead and go forward. I'm not going to say that. What I'm going to say is this. I was told, and I hope this concerns the court. It concerns me that you have proprietary information. Why is it information that you should not be having that was ex parte? Why? With a party. Why? State of Georgia. How about the witness?
this is going to be a hung jury, all right? I'm going to say double jeopardy.
And he'll sit for 2 years, and then supposedly
This is going to be a biased trial.
Excuse me, let me rephrase that. This court supposedly said, I can hold you.
This trial is going to be a mistrial and double jeopardy.
And then all 26 people are disposed of.
There you, buddy. Joke no joke. I'm watching this morning, yeah.
Witness intimidation, ex parte communications that we have a constitutional right to be present for. So I understand that you're upset towards me, but I don't know what I did. Mr. Steele, I still want to know, how did you come upon this information? Who told you? What I want to know is why wasn't I there? Why, sir? I'm going to hold you in contempt if you don't tell me who this. Tell me who this information is coming from. Well, then answer that question. That's attorney-client privilege information. I am not attorney-client privilege unless you were in my chambers. That's the only way you can figure out. I tell you what. I'm going to give you 5 minutes. If you don't tell me, if you don't tell me who it is, I'm going to put you. I'm going to put you in contempt because that is not attorney-client privilege. Attorney work product privilege. I am not. How did you get that information supposedly from my chambers? Did somebody tell you? I'm not. You should have told me. You got 5 minutes. Well, I don't need it. I want to continue. This is what I was told. Mr. Copeland made statements that he admitted to killing Donovan Thomas and was. Don't take my notes. No.
Be a lawsuit. The bailiff in there, he gonna get sued for taking the notes.
What just happened here?
Private information
Bro!
is now allowed to touch private info. Just all this stuff is gonna be reprimanded by the Supreme Court
Whoa!
of Georgia.
Whoa! We gotta bring that back. We gotta bring that back.
Double jeopardy,
What the hell just happened here?
mistrial.
Oh,
For
yo, this trial is explosive, bro. It's supposed to be they supposed to have a mistrial.
y'all see it right there? That's what he said. So on that note, I'm not gonna hold it too long.
Whoa! Whoa! I'm bringing that back. I'm bringing that back.
I'm bringing it back, y'all.
All right, you can make it right now.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. This is Bro Valendo channel.
Okay,
Thanks.
All right.
It's got to be a mistrial, y'all. Allegedly. Don't know the judge. I'm neutral. They're sparred in the courtroom over unsolicited evidence. All right?
The way I understand my
Thanks for watching.
constitutional